So this should be a really short video just showing you how to use Roam templates. And so the thing is, if you want to use your templates, you can type semicolon, semicolon, but you're going to need to have created them beforehand. What you're going to need to do before that, so you go to Roam templates. This is going to allow you to create a page. So new page, Roam templates. And so inside here, the main nodes are going to be the title of your template. So let's say you're going to create a daily routing, and for instance, you say, what's your highlight for today? And it's a to do, and then what else would you like to do today? And you add like three things that you like to do today. And another template that it could have, so this is going to be another template because it's in the main one of the main nodes, and you're going to add something here, whatever. If you go back to any one of your nodes and type semicolon, semicolon again, are going to have a list available for you, which are the main nodes that you had there. If you choose a daily routing, the template applies. That's pretty simple. Looks simple like here, but it took me a while to understand how it worked from their explanation. Hope it helps. See ya.